How to install hot and cold bath taps. Here are the tools required. First, remove the bath panel. Turn off hot and cold water via boiler or isolation valves. Open taps to drain excess water. Undo the connections. Do not lose the fibre washers. Undo bath hexagonal nuts. Carefully remove the taps. Clean the area. Place new taps in position. Tighten in position using hexagonal nuts. Reconnect hot and cold water. Switch on water, check for leaks. Open taps and flush them. Check operation. Happy days.